Welcome to the Safety, Health and Environment Induction Program of Al Shafar General Contracting, ASGC. ASGC is one of the leading local and international contractors in the UAE, currently constructing some of the most prestigious building projects in Dubai. When on any of ASGC's sites, every employee is required to strictly adhere to the company's site rules. Failure to do so may lead to the cancellation of your employment contract. Your safety attitude contributes to the project's safety culture. This culture is the foundation upon which all our projects are built.
This safety induction reflects our importance, which we give to safety, which is important for your lives, for your families, for our sites, for all of our staff, and for us as a company. Safety is our top priority. We wish you to take note and pay close attention to what is going to be shown and heard to you now in this video, and welcome you to the family of ASGC.
Coming to work unshaven, improperly dressing, without your ID badge and safety shoes is not allowed. The dress code has to be strictly followed. Do not keep your workplace dirty and scattered. Keeping your workplace dirty will create problems for you as well. Keep your respective workplaces neat and clean. This will make work easier for your own selves. See the warning signs before working on the machines. Thumbs should be kept away from the cutter, as it can cause an accident. It's unsafe to work without dust mask, safety glasses and earplugs. Do not go near or touch the machines or equipment that are meant for only trained or competent persons to handle. Wherever you see a nail sticking out, do not leave it unseen. It may cause an accident. A nail must always be bent with the help of a hammer for your own safety and for the safety of others. Do not play around with the equipment or machines. They can be harmful if not respected. Do not go near or touch the machines or equipment that are meant for only trained or competent persons to handle. Respect the signs. Lift the load in a proper way. Do not clutch your stomach and bend over it. Not doing this may cause accidents. When a small object is lifted, carry the load with knees and then carry it upright with the straight back. When the load is long, big and heavy, carrying it in a wrong way may cause accidents. The big and long load must be carried by 2 or more persons. This makes the load easier to carry and will not cause any accidents. When working at the height of 2 meters and above, always secure yourself to the appropriate safety harness to avoid accidents. Attach yourself with the safety rope before working at the height of 2 meters and above. This would secure your life. If an object falls from above, it may cause a major or minor accident. Wearing your helmet would act like a protection and you will not get hurt. Do not work without safety goggles when doing the grinding, welding, cutting or air blowing jobs. Failing this may cause an accident. Always wear the safety goggles correctly for the protection of your eyes. Do not use the cement breaking machine without proper personal protection equipment, PPE. Wear your ear protection correctly while using noisy machines, failing which may cause hear impairment. When on site, do not walk barefoot or wearing normal shoes. Edgy things or equipment may cause accidents. Wearing safety boots while working on the site is a must. Do not use a wooden ladder for climbing on height. The ladder may break on the way or fall. Always use a steel or aluminium ladder for climbing purposes. Position the ladder in the middle. Check it before climbing from top to bottom and ask a colleague to hold the ladder to secure your safety. Do not use the access tower with the red tag on it. The red tag means it is unsafe scaffolding and should not be used. No person is allowed on any access tower, platform or scaffold if it has the red tag. Ignoring this warning sign may cause injury. When the red tag is seen, always report this to the safety officer or scaffold inspector and get the appropriate people to get it fixed. An access tower must be used only when it has the green tag. Green tag means safe for use sign. Wear your safety equipment as required before climbing up the access tower. If a spillage of oil, diesel, paint or thinners is seen, do not ignore it. It is considered as wastage of resources and disrespect towards your duties. When you see any kind of spillage, report it immediately to the project engineer, who will take the appropriate action and get the area cleaned. Do not be ignorant towards your environment. It may harm your health. If you see areas of excessive dust generation, such as roads, excavation areas, etc., use water wherever possible to control the dust. There are waste bins everywhere on the site. Do not throw your waste outside those bins. Always dispose of your and others' waste in waste bins or in places marked for it. In case of fire, do not ignore it. It is an emergency. Be prepared for it. Whenever you notice a fire, go to the nearest alarm and activate it, and inform your supervisor immediately. This simple action may mean the difference between life and death. Do not ignore small or big injury. If you accidentally cut or wound yourself, do not just begin working again. This may cause in making the injury bigger and difficult to treat later on. In case of any injury, small or big, immediately report about it to the safety department and be treated by the nurse on duty, in the interest of the health of the worker as well as for medical insurance purposes. All workers must familiarize themselves thoroughly with the symbolic signs used at the site. They are as follows: prohibited and fire signs, warning signs, information signs.